Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Labs, long-term success of Casper. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, bonuses, discounts, offers, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. They've got their products. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Casper in real time. What are the official handles saying? What is the community saying? Is there optimism in the air? And it indeed is optimistic, guys, when it comes to the Casper community. Let's see what's happening. This from Plutert. Something beautiful coming for Casper. The optimism has picked up recently, guys. We've seen utility projects do a good rally. We've seen XDC rise. We saw XLM rise, QNT, XRP as well. Look at this. This is 2 hours ago from the ghost with the most. Casper update. The downtrend on the 15-minute remains strong, though we're attempting to break out. Unfortunately, new lows keep forming, with plenty of liquidity still to grab. The 1 hour, however, looks less brutal and just a standard pullback after a massive pump. Guys, although the technicals, the price wise, Casper is down, but fundamentally and overall, the market sentiment, if we watch the entire market, the sentiments are well and good for projects like Casper and these utility projects. A lot of different proponents and advocates are continuously rising for them. We've got advancements when it comes to partnerships, when it comes to optimism for these projects, for mass adoption. Casper is no different, and we've seen optimism pick up for it. Look at this. I asked NXS Blade Runner to have a look at Casper. This is what he came up with, vibing at 60 cents if the AMD doesn't get invalidated. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Even the technical experts are now saying that Casper from here on forward, it's going to be rising. Let's see how it goes. Casper melting faces today. This is November 17th, by the way. So yeah. Casper update. Casper hit every target, including the faint black one. I doubt it would happen, and even broke trend. Now it is back on track, almost riding the 50 EMA as it swoops down and curls up. Buy signal confirmed on the 15-minute chart, momentum building. Although this is 7 hours ago and the one we read before, it was 2 hours ago. Yeah, look at this. I mean, this is great. Casper, a while back, people were really negative about it, is skeptical about it. But yes, not everyone is a believer up until this point. But I think momentum is building up as this new team picks up from where Mrinal and the team left, controversially, by the way. To all you legends out there that saw the potential Casper has always had. Look at this. Will Casper 2.0, just a moment. Yeah, let me pause it. Yeah. Will Casper 2.0 help Casper hit $2? While Casper 2.0 is significant for the long-term success of the Casper network, I believe it will have minimal impact on short-term price action. This perspective isn't pessimistic, just realistic. Yes, we really like these realistic predictions and what's happening realistically, because even now, Casper has to do a lot to gain back the lost trust, especially guys after the hack and after Mrinal and Prove AI left, basically. So we are still in infancy when it comes to trust building. Let me open this up. Yeah. Yes, just a moment. We're going to be looking at this video. Yeah, so just realistic. Despite the challenges faced this year, I remain excited about Casper's future and hope the community feels confident and content with their investment. Let's hear them out.
I think it's interesting timing, but I don't think it's going to propel it forward. So what we saw with Casper is we saw a lot of that capitulative style selling, that capitulation selling from retail. Again, you guys dumping on each other. CasperLabs didn't dump on you. You dumped on each other. But we saw a resurgence in price. And this is ahead of any news. This is ahead of anything else from a fundamental basis. Just the exhaustion of sellers, being enough interest under a $100 million market cap, and seeing a nice reversal. We actually saw a 50% pop in a single day. Then, of course, we pull back a little bit here. We've seen a little consolidation, but we've seen a lot of that panic selling stop. And I actually did mention this on the show a couple weeks ago. I mentioned this to our members many times. Like, guys, I know this is hard to watch, but like by the time you guys get undelegated, most of the capitulation selling is most likely going to be done. And that ended up being the case. There's only like 3 or 4 days of you guys just dumping on each other because you guys don't know how to own your emotions. We've recovered a lot of that capitulation. We're now trying to build a little bit of a floor of support here. I think we can get back above that 1.2, 1.5 penny zone very quickly. Again, once we retrieve the really big pocket, that 2.5 to 3 cent region, I don't think you guys understand how much rocket fuel is sitting there, right? Like we had 700 days of actual volume trading on multiple exchanges in that 2.5 to 3 cent pocket. If we can reclaim that pocket, 10, 25, 35, 50 cents, $1, $1.36 is very much on the table, especially when you have a group of investors that don't remember anything that's happened previously. They don't remember about network outage. They don't remember about people panic selling because a company decided to not build on the network, right? And you're going to have people who are just speculating on price and they're like, hey, you hear about Casper? It's up 50% today. Yeah, I'm going to buy some, right? It's those liquidity pockets that we start to hunt down. So those are going to be the things that I look for here on Casper. Again, I don't think that 2.0 specifically will push price forward, but it is a net positive thing for long-term holders, right? So if you're like, hey, I want to hold 5, 10, 15, 20% of my Casper long-term, yeah, that is something that you want to see implemented to have conviction that this is a good long-term.
Folks, $2 is a price point that we should be opting for or predicting in the very long run. And as far as the short term is concerned, I would, aside from price action, I'm not even concerned with that. I want trust building. I want this team to continue developing. These targets will slowly and gradually come, one baby step at a time. But $2 in the short term, I also agree that in the short term we should be a bit realistic, and we should be aiming for trust building, and we should be aiming towards the execution from the team, the delivery of their milestones and all of that stuff. Anyways, talking about milestones, let's see what's happening with the official Casper handle. Let's see if there is anything new. Okay, so this is November 16th. Casper bi-weekly recap is here. So look at this. Casper fans update. Season 1 rewards distributed and Season 2 launched with double rewards. Buy Casper now available directly on Ledger Live. NFT hotspot spotlight. Check out the DC Outlaw Dogs project. Read here. So basically a NFT project from what it seems. Learn with Casper. Fresh insights from the R&D team. Okay, so what else do we have from the team? Experience Audra, the next generation framework for smart contracts on Casper. By the way, people are really excited about Audra as well. Let me share this with you. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, look at this. Crypt Guardian. Audra is a game changer for Casper Network. This Rust-based developer tool enables cross-chain smart contract development with ease and efficiency. Modular, scalable, and built for innovation, Audra is redefining what's possible in blockchain. Future-ready tech for serious builders. Awesome. Guys, I think that Casper is indeed in a on the right track at the moment. Look at this, sweet. Yes, Ordra's cross-chain capabilities could enable wrapped Casper on Base, allowing Casper holders to access DeFi on Base through liquidity, bridging, and token interoperability. This is great. Okay. So this is Michael. Michael is the one who has been rebuilding the lost trust that after Mrinal left. Look at this. That's a lot of Casper related updates you've got there, XP Network. Thank you for your contributions in connecting Casper to the broader blockchain world. Let's see what this is. New utility partner APOC, new utility partner Outlaw Dogs. New chain integration Moonbeam is live on the decentralized bridge. Okay, so look at this. Developer update. Casper Network decentralized collection deployer is complete. This is great. Okay, so what else do we have? If you are into Casper, you must take a dive into Shibu on Casper Network. Shibu is a meme token, fun gaming community, kingdom of DeFi on Casper, beautiful NFT project, and so much more. Despite the hate that meme coins receive from utility proponents, even I sometimes am harsh on them, but the volume they generate for networks, it can be really great as well, because it all depends on hype, and you can hype people towards these coins. You can easily build hype basically when it comes to meme coins. So Casper is trying to do that, take that route as well. Anyways, it is good. If the underlying layer is good, meme coins on top of that do not hurt. But intrinsically, to build legitimacy for this industry, we need more mature projects and utility projects that can provide real world value. So folks, what do you guys think about the long-term success of Casper? Are you a believer despite what happened? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.